Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unstick the thermostatic button from your shower tap. You may also see these on regular bath taps as well, but as you can see I'm able to freely turn the tap from left and right. Now what should happen is when the tap is turned to the right, the button should pop up, and then as you turn the tap to the left, the tap should stop roughly 2/3 of the way through, and then you should push the button down to set a higher temperature on the tap. As you can see, I've pulled the button up and the tap won't move past that point. As soon as I push the button down, then I can turn it fully left. But what's happening is the button isn't returning, and there's a spring inside the button that should push the button back up. So I push the button down, turn it back, and the button's not pushing up, so I have to keep pulling it up. Sometimes these get really stuck and you can't pull it up with your fingers. The button is there as a safety feature to stop the tap going above 38 degrees. If the button's really stuck, you can pull it up with an elastic band stretched around the button, and that gives you a bit more grip to pull up the chrome button. But that won't stop it from sticking. The sticking is actually caused by limescale and soap and water getting into the button mechanics. So the best way I've found of remedying this is to use white vinegar. Any brand will do, and the best way to do it, I've found, is to just pour a little bit into the cap, and then don't forget to subscribe. And then get a pipette, just suck up a bit of the vinegar and just squirt it around where the button meets the body of the tap. Now, depending on whether you've been able to free the button by pulling it up with the rubber band or not, you may need to let the vinegar penetrate the button mechanic a little bit. As you can see, it's already freed it a little bit, but the best thing to do is to leave it for 24 hours and let the vinegar dissolve the limescale that's built up inside the button. So I'm just going to put a little bit more around the button, and then I'm going to leave it for 24 hours and come back to it. So here we are 24 hours later, and now I'm just pressing the button down and pulling it up a couple of times just to loosen any limescale that's been dissolved. You might have to repeat the process of putting the vinegar around the button and then leaving it for another 24 hours, but it's usually done within 24 hours. Now you can see that as I turn the tap round, the button releases with the spring. Push the button down, turn the tap to the left, and then as I return the tap round to the right, the spring is now working the button correctly. As you can see, the button is returning all the time, it's no longer sticking. So hope that helps. So if you found this video useful and it helps you out, then please don't forget to like the video, and more importantly, subscribe to the channel for more useful tips in future. Thanks, bye bye.